Hey guys. So firstly, my street is being very noisy, so I'm gonna have to voice over all of this. That's why my mouth is not moving and you can still hear my voice. Secondly, I know I haven't posted a video in quite a while, but that's because I've actually been working on some commissions, which is really cool. So if you want me to make any of those, contact me and all the links in the description down below. So today, we're gonna be making a pair of horns. I have already made horns on this channel before, but this pair I'm gonna finish completely, as in I'm gonna cover them with some fabric or something. Also, they're for a party, so I kinda need to make them. So yeah, let's get started. Sweet, all done. How cool are these? Oh my word, I really like how they turned out. I'm actually still wearing them now while I do the voiceover. I used a velvety fabric to cover them, which gives it quite a cool matte-like aesthetic. But yeah, I'm like super chuffed how they turned out. I'm definitely gonna look awesome for the party. If you wanna contact me on any social media, all the links to that are down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.